welcome to Alan's Trains. Today we are looking at the Class 73 Electro Diesel locomotive from Dapol. This is the unboxing. Inside we have the owner's guide. The no quibble guarantee. Tells you how to fit the DCC decoder. Not very much information. Inside we have the locomotive itself. Let's get it out. We have a detail bag with a spare hook. There we have it. Sam's trying to go, yes. Let's put it on the turntable and get a closer look at it. Here we see locomotive 73202 in Govia Thamelink Southern branding. You can see that there are grab rails fitted to the door. In the middle there is a Southern logo and there are air vents on the side. This is the only locomotive I know that you can actually get in Govia Southern branding. This view shows the bogie detail. This diesel locomotive is unusual in that it has an electric shoe on the bogie to pick up current from the third rail in the southern region. It's called an Electro Diesel locomotive. Here's a close look at the front of the loco. You see that you have lights, there's a head code box and there's a bright light underneath the cab. Also there's a separately fitted rail in front of the cab. Now the moment of truth. Will it run? Yes, she's running, not a problem. Points test. It's not stalling on the points. Very few models have been produced by the main manufacturers and go via Thamelink Southern livery. So the only way to get it is to add this to your collection and add this to your collection. This Bachmann Turbo Star has a drawback of not being DCC ready. This particular Turbo Star has been DCC fitted and it has internal lighting, but obviously in order to have that you'd have to pay extra to fit the internal lighting. With this Turbo Star you'd hardly need a sound chip because the motor inside it makes as much noise as the real Turbo Star. Just listen. So let's try the second radius test. And we've had a bit of trouble getting over those points. Let's go back a bit. Try again. It gets over the points but doesn't like them very much. Yep. Change direction. This loco has cab lights at each end, and you can turn the cab light on and off. There we are. And you can turn the head code box on and off independently of the cab lights. And if that's turned on, when you change the direction it alters it automatically. It turns off the cab lights when you're going backwards.